Ensa omu entmente abrante junior kaba man no washa se pusu ntana no pusu bi enne wase pusu bi saso na abrante Samuel Nkum ehye go ne ena abrante Isaac Mensah omu na 3 goals no Edma Hearts of Folk bobo ku no na players enne shase Edma Hearts of Folk no goalkeeper Eric Ofori entry saso Samuel Nkum Rashid abrante Rashid Okan saso ena Caleb Amankwa Robert Adusowa Eric Eso Fatal Mohammed Junior Kaba Kwadwo Obin Junior Yasan Washin ena Amankwa Bafi omne sha said my coach Samuel Bodu emrantia no sha say wie ya omusa wa another friendly game Hearts of Folk ni Ebony edbe pem so ni nyina preparation omo yam bia koso anopa game no ombo no Edweso Forestry Park eho ena Hearts of Folk game no omutimi eboye Hearts of Folk empanyimfo so omo nkoye eno omu wie Ebony game na wie ya Sunday ewo Padjo Park KNUST omni babia ni Go Stars eso ade bepem so eno ene desk screen so no o jono Facebook be on flyer kra na babia ni Go Stars for ni abra omdi aguna akwa mu omso omo boabo mo ho na Sunday de metin say Go Stars team no e kire nwumra na Sunday no pa eno ba be piem o Kumasi Krodo ma no omne Hearts of Folk e de side friendly game no apem so e o Padjo Park na Go Stars players mi din komo bi na de metin say omo say omo free Elmina be piem wo babia ni no empanyimfo no mo hia adi komo de atu omonim ese season ebe sha asie omo ntimi anya hwe kra no top 4 there omo hwe se Go Stars betimi awuram na de omo pene se nka Go Stars team no ebetimi agin league no e de ahye oman na nimonyam omo ntimi top 4 there e wo se Go Stars etimi ram na enura players no ho a ena mpanyimfo no frewa no mo bisa boot wo hye sai ni nyina no se omo so ompese omo tuto bi motivate boys no no mu sampa season no omo be kɔ yie ama bibia so akɔ e de ama wo mo eno e de free Go Stars aso eba Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko say omo air prepare team no from Sudan omo Accra omo guso omo air prepare na Kotoko team no omo preparation plan for Kadiogo game no omo de ababe tudwa na de meti say Kotoko team no omo makumase omo be guso Accra no omo prepare na omo say net from next 2nd September e consider ukua 7th September training kwa na Kotoko team no on Ben wo Accra na omu wie on Wednesday si Wednesday no on be fly every Accra akwa mo Abidjan na omu du Abidjan from Abidjan to Yamoussoukro no ho no by road into omu du Abidjan na say omu afa road the bus atwa so omu kodura Friday na say ukopiem a ene na wotwe was study Yamoussoukro ho na dwumadi ne betuma atodwa na omu ni team efe ne Kadiogo omu free Wagadugu no say because of say CAF empanyimfo ntime omu stadium na ama omu te ho ena omu ko neutral grounds omu de kopiem Ivory Coast to na Kotoko first leg no ho no be kwa akobo no ene Kotoko nhehye ya so far omu de abetu ahead of omu game omu kwa akobo CAF Champions League no na opiem Kotoko National Circus Council no empanyimfo so edi nsembi aba abetu dwa ni nyina ne se yedi nkomo kakra de yetene se omu se akina circus leadership no ebe piem Okumase omu be dwendwene ho omu be dwendwene ni nyina ne se omu eba betwe ompese omu meeting bi ansana Kotoko game against Kadiogo na abaso meeting omu so omu ni management and omu ni legends of Kotoko ebehia last season before se be sha so omu ye bi enu ntina last season so omu Kotoko team na kro ye eni biako unity e omu pa we enkwa ma team we enkwa ma cow omu be hye that same meeting no omu tima no omu ade a ekwa obi abonyo so no omu trash amna firi ho ansakra na omu game no omu tima travel akwa akobo against Kadiogo enu ye Kotoko National Circus Council normal omdi eguna akwama yeso ye de ema enne awie ewo shootout dwumadie eso na opioma mediama ade se team no still omo wotema community 9 na omo so mepiem otakwa just omo abom first game awie na Ghana Premier League no chance mediama on first game no kwa away against Legon Cities omo so mbo wia no mba be piem otakwa na omo hyehyɛ no enie na nka ne mediama boboko no e wosan kom ye awards na se omo awards 1980 ba so omo se on person mbo omo first game no wia against Legon Cities ombo wia na se omo be piem otakwa on the 16th of September eno ye Friday na se omo ye omo awards na bibia eso etima ko edi ama mediama eno e de ba na mediama ho na yama monte se omo abrante bo left back de mo oye kokopa ye fe no Fatal Suleiman na omo ko preseason won kran omo amfra nko ni nyina nsa na contract na ka 3 months de omo de man no pese ba accept but good news na se enura Fatal Suleiman omo fe no Rooney enura anadwo ho na owura we president ma medema Moses Amapaka fe one ni agent eno mu chai omo didi nkomo ama boy ye fe no Fatal Suleiman asan 4-year deal eda ma medema de etene se oteke mu a ojo ni team no tema community 9 no ma ko prepare against Legon Cities eno eso de frua eba ye de ema mo e wo dwumadie so na yemfro ne yenwura mo Aduana Stars Aduana team no ene awie ya omo bo ayonfa kansi omo no man kasa omo youth side na ebo na Aduana team no omo se last week omo no youth team no boy omo brepa answer omo she youth side 3-1 na ene omo besia bo omo ba youth team no emom tough time Shannon say Yaya Mohammed ene coach Aduana Stars we Aduana FC Stars omo ye for FC Yaya Mohammed ene coach omo na omo bo wi na Yaya the youth team ne training wi a no wa be join ne coach Pakwasi Fabian mo na se ono so ase sua de kakra ono ne senior team no asa ye training kakra na omo se opiem wo doma hinkura ede ye kwasi ada team e fe na Aduana Stars ene Balfour Soccer Academy ebebo ayonkofa kansie no ma hwese bibia so betima koye omo prepare na se team no aba be piem no omo de aboabo mo sede be ya no ma be koye eso ede ama wo mo eno ede fro eba na nso atreman for opiem nso atreman be bo Ghana Premier League bi no omo se encho ombe onveli omo new players ene omo board of directors na ye don sembe ba ebedi nkomo bi afiri ho na ya twede e kose de omo atenary no eso esitie ene ho nsensem bebre eno ede fro ba na chiro piem abrankase wokumase a team efe Legon Cities ene eye All Nations FC obeka se team be efe All Nations yi kanene from ABYFA Bekwa Youth Football Academy ene de asese di no Dr. Kwame Chedia ye fe All Nations FC china wo abrankase omo ni team a ye fe Legon Cities babo ayonkofa kansie na opiem Accra Lions the announcement about 21-year-old central defender from Atram Divisa Sporting Club Oma sign no ye fe Samuel Jima Oma sign no bebo adwuma eso ede amo ma we say bibia betima koye ede amo eno ya brand a we central defender the finest defender obebo adwuma de amo eno eso ede ba na opiem wo esunwane a 11 wonders ye say omu coach a ye fe Kwaku danso omu so de adwuma na to ade a no head master oma transfer ni ko baabi nti oma kwa kopie musa eye bofo kwata no tano bofo akwa omu coach no Kwaku danso oma jan kwan amane ko ne se omu di coach no 11 wonders so assistant coach ye fe coach Yusuf Abubakar na omu de na ba wo hwese no ma be koyi na no piem a oma to new players e de ama no nti omu buy fa kanse ni lower side bi omu wi a na so ma next week na all players be resume e de ama team a ye fe no tano bofo akwa eno eso e de free oba ye de ma mo e dwumade no so na yenwe na yenkwa ahoma no so na yenko enkodi enkomo yenya owura okasa edima boboku a ye fe no eye nsu atreman FC opanyina ye fe no Jowa Kofi Jempe ewo ahoma no so na yenko na Bishop
Bema
Joel Abama no so na kasa de ma eye nsu atreman yate so mbe onveli omu new players na board no oni ni nkomo
that's the chairman Joel yama kwaba eba Sompa
Bishop
TV ni radio so bra boy nkomo dia ankasa na ekoso nsu atrema ye ready the league no mbabobi
well Bishop Mamenshia on some petty for and area numre ready the yeah ready more than ever ready
mokobo super cup no kakra e bai ehun modemo amobo ho se ahobo ankasa league no nyame adoma na otwese ne na ehase o ahobo ankasa nsu atrema de kobo league ne free sabre ekosi se ye be bo first match Senate.
Well, me can say, and now can ye kobo super cup ni na ageni ni team fire de kon say ye kwa ko prepare ye squad no for Ghana Premier League. Nemum ye ankosi ye kwa ko Premier the cup no. And lo and behold, me can say coach na the technical team in general no. I sure it for now, each and every player be our strength and weaknesses. Leading us into the Premier League, you know, because we are more than ever ready. You say there was squad in there. Like compare other Premier League clubs that were Ghana. Now they are more to 3 years. Though we are a newly promoted club, but Bishop Mekan say we are fully ready, and the target say we more top 4 now. Is fully assured.
Bree. Wadama, preseason send a new players any omo kana ho boa no esiko.
Well, omutu training na meka say preseason no you said that my any course our tournament Super Cup e so. And fortunately on our side, meka say none of them has disappointed so far. Obia Yamana Quenya Bia justify the reason here. Yamana Quenya so mame bonsu ashaman. And new players now bana amaye hooper. Meka say Bishop was free bar.
See, Obia about friendly matches the bobo no okopie mo doma incredua na ni abra weekend omo matches de ne anye bia mo de no mabo awie.
Oh, yenya mo nwie before see be course our tournament here you can once semina you anything ka any clubs the usunyane be go friendly matches na ye dia so ya ho obi ahwe eno nso kwa na ya sanso dia Kenya ya yonko paso kwa wo ye ni clubs yintem na eho be nyina se be ko tournament naba nti ye ko ba ye nhyehyɛ wo ho no sɛ nyame adoma Sunday ye di anim ye ne B United tia ewo Nana Kramanta Sports Stadium ye venue ho ewo nso asre nti Sunday rate 10 Ghana cedis ubetu ye United Nsuatama Football Club Division 1 club versus Premier League club. Then the Wednesday yene Bafo Soccer Academy ebeshia and also another friendly game because so Chumasi Sports Complex. No, enye open to Mengana spectators into behind closed door. It's Wednesday the end year ready to support be an spectator be ebebaho. But then next week Sunday na enka weekend next weekend yene Kotoko our Premier League match, but then because of almost Champions League game against Kodiogo Nintino, match and you be postpone, and I'm paying for postpone. And the 7 again na ho kano, yane tanobo fakwa, and so ABCM Yamiadman next week Sunday, and also our complex, and also rates and 10 Ghana cities. And the Bishop Ubisaya from this Sunday to the next week Sunday, your 3 friendly matches ebo.
You say team den kamu on veli bus na ma on veli players na de esema ya te se mo on veli board nyina nyame adoma juada de na be koso juada nkasa no chiremu
well juada no meka say dwumadi kese bia in the history of Ghana football when it comes to unveiling we be the biggest and you hear him say not just by saying keke nemum on that DD no be obeba program ya se bia don't say yes. This is the biggest unveiling ceremony also in Ghanaian football. You hear him say your board members, Honorable Nilan Van der Poel, majority leader, your certain businessmen, even your club president, Honorable Bafo Ewa, and then some businessmen and a woman. But then unfortunately, woman who United States of America, apart from Obama, and as a woman now, the rest of the board members will be available for unveiling. Then after I know so no, your technical team no, Coach Mohamed Gagu aba and your supporters meaning and you will be name Coach Mohamed Gagu or say honestly you unveil. So from the board to the playing body, you unveil all these people. And the Inter Americas is going to be a mega occasion, another ceremony, and they say the Nyama be a two aquema. Yes, surprising to amount for the but then Bishop and Pierre na brofo yes ani ma bisia yes ye chini e TV so ya na ni je ho ye kan for brofo de ye man niam man ye fe. This is the time, this is the opportunity given to us. Yen so be justify say look ni abrofo no ye ni bitumi aye bi. Enti for now no support any ye free obi bia ho mai mu ha. So look em found say wo bron na half. So far as we are Ghana and when you football on there, come and support the brand in Swatraman or this special occasion. I say.
Padama, you do we in Swatraman Mohamed Gago, Mpenyu for my already say Premier League Mbobi.
Oh yeah, ready. And Bishop Vera, your current squad no, are you crazy? 10-man squad, and we kind of 40 under 17 for no 10 kaho. Okay, senior team there, and after that senior team case, you know, a guy said team at the board if she want qualified. They move 11 any are maintaining. That means the extra 19 year 50 are one thing. So these are players, and out of 19, you know, officially on our social media, accounts, you unveil only 8 of them. And it's a 11. So there are other players cry, say the media are not even aware, say, I'm about to join in Swatchama Football Club. And on Gago issue, look, Gago is ever ready. Because he appointed a man who beside a credential when it comes to coaching in Ghana. And that's a coaching per se, and the coaching history, the coaching records. And then we have the trust and believe in him. Also, Bibi Kakra, Super Cup. So we are rest assured. And also promise he said, look, he's going to take the team to that glory land. Okay,
right na say Nsuatreman FC ne kwa ne o kasa mafo kodi nkomo bishop ene na ye adwuma ni nyina na on say apostle atena se ye be ko apostle ne mama menko Facebook na mni messages no ebi emfiri ho o say I am Lawrence Boache AK Buche at Asenua Asorin Kwantania Unity Oil Filling Station. You are doing a great job. Yes, so yeah, that's a Ocean Boy was watching live at Aguna Kwanyanku and also the free Kwashi Erickson watching live from Ashamai and I also did a message fra what they about was hi, I am Sebastian watching you live from KKV. Meaning baby KKV no Intiana the Simba Madridista watching you live from Accra Ridge. Okay, yes, so yeah, that's a messages ni be about probably ye fro so ediamana yanko apostle
Luther. Oh yes, I do.
Nsem bebre ne dia go pono so.
Well, I mean, shall see every baby interview na Bishop here. Very good for a clubber, either to make us so clubber free Division 1 aba Premier. Na oba se oba betutu nieme ye ashishe. Na club licensing, one of the major requirements is omo muta team na chino say timi hu microphone abob prabie du baby. Senebeya Sasemba ye ni momo ese ekobisoma omenu se no di se me fa club nankasa. And so very laudable. I mean, look, there are a lot of clubs on more Ghana, but for club licensing board cry them for them to decide say anya board no cry needed, but ye no unveiling ye dom with the coins from so for me that is very telling. There's a club or more any abrese or more I think no more bad premier. No, this is the first time I'm made in edition here or premier. Then more suya dear say near ma yet I can't want some club and she share back come on omo dear. Even though I'm call our premier, then so sebi omene bi omene daho. And if you look at some of the names I made TT, if there's anything to go by, I mean, if you have Nilan Tevanapo, Miami former boss or Radio Gold, a band in him dear or football man. I mean, he's one of the brains behind Liberty Professionals. Okay. Yes. One of the very close friends of legislator Mo, name stands some year football Liberty Professional, and or you'll be the name deal of football model or super. And so if you have him, and then you also have Obi to say the majority leader. You don't always need people who understand football, but you need almost wide counseling. So unya a blend of it. And the unya Obi ono nimbo no more so Obi ono so one him dear about policy, direction of the club strategy, networking in terms of sponsorship. Very important. Now, my background here. So, if you look at the names I had so far, I'm constitute the board here. Omu and Kofa Sebi, Omunim Diama Bobra in their respective fields.
Okay.
And no near man say a ma team no a dinkesi esama Krofoni batim no because of Omwa Nipa Kukudama, Omo Ekaho, air board no. And also ba na expectation so akosro.
Okay.
Because the San Crawford were board so dear. And the Mwanka Samuntu to year from management to technical team to playing body, any supporters, very, very crucial. And Crawford best start to say omo di omani ehwe. Because in dear for we can board on the expect to say ombetu mufupa. I share pamamu amubediso. And so the conduct of management, professional conduct on and off field, technical team, playing body and supporters will be under the microscope. because for expert say at least mobile set a certain standard based on the team name, that's the board.
Okay.
And including team run and kaza. So good times ahead for them, and I would love it. I'm very happy with Nemo Mudia Atutu Akwemo. Let's see how it goes. Ayana Miminta Jaji Niamantem, but on the face of it, a bomb pass a betimi Akuyi. But what I've heard the communicating director say Omo Onveli area. We also listen to the board members and the board chairman, almost real vision for the club, because board policy, direction, a quiet team no fast, so almost so I don't be a board nediba. Now management I implement it. And so for now, on the evidence of members, any background, I can say solid. We've seen boards like that in the past. I have personally seen Paul Victor being board. Or Chewas and Nigotoko. Kwame Despa Muniraka, Mr. Kobinakesi Muniraka. But unfortunately, there were issues where I mess out the sea. So, like I said, we are more hope say we bear sources. But I'm trying to board chairman no near Becca, Omobo type potty. Communicating director can say or can Tomu target top 4. What do you say?
Yeah.
Aha. But says our target no you be achieve you may realize here a board no almost share and a bema sa target no it me achieve very important. So me person metie omo na afedi I pick it from the friendly match omo arrange there very good, because we are on the final stages of preseason league no commencing next week. And the omo here say on Bebo, and I'm happy say omo boba for academy on Wednesday, because that should be a tough one. That academy no be very good. And the wabo we last game I would be stressed near mana Coach Mohamed Gago where she shana tutono only Nkolai Bona like Adriana any under 20 no bomb hochirom Nkolai they put it to the table because they run a lot almost too many kapa and the money Baf Academy ombe Phoebe papa and the no Emma coach no say hey I dey academy kaza hayo. And then my sister Nema kakra, my chinchin way kakra. What they say, and she said, aha. And yes, sir, and you're open to supporters. And no, the last dress rehearsal match before a tournament and now for a competition like the league, you know. And yes, sir, Uma Microphobia. I bring you here. Aha. Now, and no the kukumu preparation. I want to trick is in the 30 kakra obededi. And to my bonty folk one have the open and Okako Bokran. A big crowd be near was obi can open and sentence spy be a no sending a Tana Veras be a besho. So there's a so on Chambreno.
Okay.
Oh, there's a meanwhile ball be a bobia no you were near my kakra yedi sisi your opponent you are an affair bring when so. Oh, there's a aha. And so very good. I'm happy for Nema communicating director no, but like I said, me and I'm a Pagroni firm. And I wish them all the best. But I'm trying Monday, some few days away. The Monday no bar. Now, omo young very new year. Me person me board chairman no. Very important. Board chairman no represent the board no. Any team na kanti ni ono be kano ye anamo on ba betu.
There's a team na ni swadi hu no.
Ni nyina no board chairman. Nti ono the two board members no. Omo the best no akwa. So me train say me hu nti no but so far I'm happy with what they've done. And I also league do so by okay. There almost some few experienced players. Mimpa bonus experienced players don't live up to expectation. Almost the experience will bring it to bear. Matches don't be bonus.
Okay.
Because don't me find young guys Nkwan Kobo Premier, we a Premier, yeah Division 1. The competition was through Division 1. And the Ebompa say recruitment on my end also. Coach Mohamed Gago on is not too proven there, but it's not always the case. Or Bobo no do high level. See a bomb is obeti me adding a name days from Kwanya both the national team and the club level no. Ebeboa ama players na GD woni mo no ma bobo na ama no a results no be ba man so atrema. Me share Hassle folk. Good sir, omo decide say Super Cup no Mbaswa, or what they call the champion of champion Mbaswa. And since I began to ball Adriana start the first game or Domano, I soon never faco. I have to bend your own here say cry. So quickly, more rangy matches here. I create a camping base which is very smart of them. I'm boyfriend as a Deportivo. I mean, okay, one of the teams on tested pa about that national team or club level, Deportivo, because I'm producing a lot of players. I'm a good competition, and it's good. That Omar ball, Omni co-stars ball Sunday, which is very encouraging. Then Oshe, coach, Junior Kababo, or being junior, what he's doing, and I know the air preseason, we'll try in a match because I've been a Drogba and you're part of the team, Koviko Junior part of the team now. And so, this option available to you. Yes, Suraj, local black star, or a free bunny or local black star. But before me banner, I saw more any mono. I saw Kambum Neshe, Neshe, Hawa system benefit your more. Now I try all the various options available to you. Now some omuye competitive my mat fitness or test your endurance level. And one more to about 90 minutes. Your players be what timer prison no chance. You're more dear no picking up. Or more bono picking up. Prison baby you have no baby picky. Then you know I inform me coach as to whether such players no chance so the mucha and I'm bench and now I create a special training program for them. So how much am I very ready? For the league so far, and fortunately for them, almost players. I wore the local Black Stars, Dennis Kosa, Oshe, Iadom, and Semta Crown there. But for now, you find us boys of folk, and the Muhammad Alasan, Omonya a quality and better preparation, and to be complimentary. Omomoana, it's good to see Robert Adosoa back because of consume latter stage of last season, and then Caleb also. Is doing very well. So it's very interesting time for us as well. Omo can some person omo ya dear chain. Africa no more last season, so it's good. Let's hope the league no shall say omo Adriana Stars or Doma. Ho number Sojano. Here is a ombe Sojano Gueja for so Doma na zembe baby 2 goals biana because look, so as of boys Saturday watching Nyami Adoma be qualify. I'm qualify pe or maybe at least maybe some 2-3 days or at least about 4 days preparation with the main team. Others until the Nigeria fire no be good and Nigeria fire no be can Ghana fire no more combine Nigeria versus Nigeria plus Ghana fire. Normally called Doma Jackroom and next week January baby bumper yes because I be explosion. Only I'm gonna say but that'll be very interesting. And I'm person has a book uti almost league 1%. So they need to win the league back. So very, very interesting. As of they are doing very well. So far, Prisons in the action, idea. All right. I be a top season na Kolano Koboya and Ediomo image coffin. But apart from that, so far no Prisons in a Kuyi. Or I almost started prison. I check a crowd. As a book study, I check a crowd. So they're in the right direction. Let's hope, sir, that be translating to proper result as supporters and the Beijing.
Okay. Apostle and the attendant can Ricardo Varas. Say.
Ko now sorry.
You could cream. We didn't send me a good pronouncer. Accountant. I'm sure you're a DVD me. Varas uncle.
Luta me da say na ohwe ade ba ko a ekoso wo yen Black Galaxies first near from local blasters no asoya ama maniaji as a Ghanaian because ade na ebe abeye say ye start ade ntemo a ana say start ade a Ghana in teams no ya ade pa but na nim no na ne o me dane because all CAF Champions League ne CAF Confederations Cup ya ebo ya ye start ye Ghana near 4 slots but the dim see eba be 2 slots so tell you say ye start ye money wasoro ne the teams ne kwa no mbom homodin in those games anom kobo but say no mun team mom homodin ma see e kwa kobo tournament ne kra na now you expecting see teams me wura mo group stage you drew him say ya ade as to see betimi akwa no yintimi nka see e kwa akwaje but you starting ya ade na ye boy homodin the same thing applies to Black Galaxies in semi because tournament I starting in 2009 no. The first edition Ghana Ball final. The second edition Yentimia, the third edition Assignable final. We lost to Libya. Something the greatest record in Libya's history. So I'm first major trophy in the entire history. Omoji edit here my friend Ghana. Free one Yentimin Kobi 3 consecutive times Ghana Yentiminko. So her team way. The way we see you how I encounter more any quality of team we do this level we expect to say Nyampotina or metimenya qualification room and so Algeria, Morocco 2023. I think say a kama. And so a team now, a team out here now who GDA team him because you know say the team is in good hands. So managers or many teams name you talk of Kobe Mensah or Juma or with team of Kaola United. A team one na mobile league no na man for nchara nyo money bebre but Kobe Mensah ko fire Juma no udum or boy Juma and he's someone me I am a coaches omo ball game we are they talk about tactics and he's one of them and nyamiadum he talks about tactics and you know these are the reasons why we won this game, these are the reasons why I team win the game way so omo bar you know so omo ye Juma you talk for ref and no worker someone else or the Juma channel inside with my year and so them look at how or they has to folk more faso and so Accra and a game why na Olympics and with me bo Olympics first no so omo game o madia no me ya say yenka league nim. But I know a team, you could see say no more compete favorably or more top 6 or more top 4 no more than ends and team nation and you talk of currently the best coach in Ghana, who are your friend or prosperity Ogum. Ajumo de Kumasa Sanukotoko as well season me. He won everything and everything good the whole league no yada with me best away win, best home record, BBR. The first time with Marco Venusa na Denima Sanukotoko menya result no call Eko Juma de mom. So technical team now. You know that these guys are going to do the job for my friend in Ghana. And the question say, Omoye Juma, and so am I. And so already we are boys need to do a monkomo. I saw Dan Lad and so social media no ability to say they are going and they are going to bring us qualification. Yes, Anna, and my Ghana for Nyahoto, so be some more call our Juma. And Nigeria for your or more, you know, Munkita who didn't say the Biarada. You know, mo the jollof creating be issue die and term. Tia show mo call World Cups ano. Match and many of them believe say a revenge. Bombay no. Ghana don't to proper place. We are hoping say Nyampo tina. You be a respectable score line if you menya qualification. You be room with the next time a bus and so a year chan tournament in him. So all teams on one buffer from our league in him now. Maniajo mo. Dente maniajo mo na say or more trese or more barber year Juma and so Ghanaian Premier League in him. Because in recent times, you who teams in him say league anymore. Or more preparation tresa so more so league, you know, na ya qualifying TMB. But so her team to say Akala mobile last season, out you mobile last season, Bebeni Go Stars mobile last season. New one be league him. It got to a point in time, now out you battle for relegation, but eventually Omokamu, Bebeni Go Stars no mujina ye, the real manage your minimum and so team home, Rakala Lions are the home to your minimum, a idea a koye. And this season, where 3 teams are by Kutoku Royals, or Samates, and in Swatremaya, or more Traso Monso, Babe Yejuma. So, who tells one up here on Nekana? They are telling us they've come to stay. Or more man on my say, Yaba, I bet 2 years ago, Bobby. By a bass, Yaba, the business aspect of football, no, near Timiaka League him. In the idea, Maniaji, Edia Mom, preparing their course where Samates are so the last time you didn't go on Samates. When you want me to come no more, ya. It tells you so many say or mobile Juma and win the Ghana Premier League. So I think it's a good one. My last pick is on Kumas and Kotoko. A good plan. A good thing, say, Bibia will have prepare ye. Now once what me who say ade amekọ akoyi de hia pass ma ye no e preparation asane go games no nya enso e wo Sudan no enye score line a now ye kotoko nya wani beje we supporter wani nye sa score line ho da ebu abamu but the tie ne say so hwa Semba na hwe Ahilala these are nyoma ese kotoko timinya the experience from because some teams are kotoko no kwakọ Africa no these are some of the teams ti se unyomo na hwe the yom si bombo no no omo kyerɛ that scene to a team nim na team hyehyɛ enso ye ho adwuma yi a enne be boa ama won so team enso timi akọ ade bia so akọ akoye na prepare yie no magu akwan mu na hu ba bia be fa ba bia be si a eboa ma nyoma enso timi koyie e de ma na ne bosa kan so many times ade e ha adwen enso e wo kwa African air preparation me sa de me nyin because I believe say yesika see teams near Korum Kwako Africa na so move scar they will go and do well because you buy quality players, you get enough preparation. Unko now unko that hood, unko that airport and ade. That's what I believe. But when you more so when him say you fly, you can fly through high far car near ko room. I think it's a good thing. Enter the Makumasas and got to go to be in their own interest. So me you said this time around no, we make my no more ends at my no they have to focus ya so yeah. Because for me, I believe they disrespected Ghanaians and for that matter their supporters. So you say tournament ma qualify for Africa. Into bo now I'm prepare because no more case has vote more top season nabi was because they knew say omo na Africa CAF Conventions Cup no. Into no me no more prepare. Then you come and you filled your junior side up. It was a total respect to omo ya there no. And it has vote supporters no. But games no more bono. If say going to give them that test to mu here nioma ebetima boa mo ze yentim ne ye ne betima wurom enso wo season e ba so na I think say a good thing matches no munya no e matches ebetima mo hu the way ya the man betima akọ e wo mo team going to the next season they know say season twa me nyoma nkuya from they won the FA Cup in the league their performance was symbolic so I think so me no ma ye be bo mo ama omo enso etima ye no ma ye
me da say Ricardo Varas na outing nka no high Sompa 3.1 shootout and your team konwa so enche ye beba mo nche na mo so mo de madwen chaba Bishop
yeah I'm say asante kotoko ni otu omo fu ye pa
omo preparation plan
excellent.
Sir.
Excellent. Then send your message on itinerary at for no. Look, that's professionalism.
Okay.
Sure, say hana you bet na you bet training that say you bet to that say. Into your central new your stakeholder. Unim kotoko nhye ya o maye free sabi ku so on bebo game against RC Kadiogo. See any no. And it's a standard for all the clubs. So be ensuing free more because they are taking this thing to another level. Our management, no, on sponsor, and then the management, no, they really deserve commendation for this. Now, so we are Ghanaian, the best route. So person could be a Monfa Doma.
Okay.
Monfa go no chrome. Namunko Yamuso chrome.
Nyan kran kwantamum.
The old pen. Senga or no, the old true can is up. Or fan cran quanta.
Okay. Okay.
The why am I so look? So free Abidjan. Last time I met Trans in 2.5 hours.
On a sense, and
what rubber plantation moon on sa na a quine papa obe fasono. Oba be baonum.
Wow.
A free ho. Look, I have used me free from San Pedro and I saw first rock of Wakea from a Rabokina, Abisigana. Look, it's incredible. It's a nice journey. Ubenya check any be the ubehu police barrier quick. I'm thinking I think it's an 8-lane toll booth. So remember 8 lanes. 8 or 6 one of them. So look yamu so crew there. E hona ampem da kwa wo sisi ano.
Okay.
So ntino obia mbo modern na monye o de monko dadoma na no pamotu mubedru
because I was a kotokunya support.
Oh yeah, monko dadoma ma obia ntina baby nka ne onim. This is geography nyame na ahyehe. Monko boys ne beboa mo benya baby ada wa henkro ho. Ye be kire mo kwan anopa buto se nkan kwanta na befa ofa ya wawrem. Wurem wi a poa makodru. Ukonu di huni. Sebi omo ye nipa bia omo nte asemase. Omo police ne fe ne gendarmerie no. Omo minim se ne omo sitie.
Obedru barrier bi kra na barrier no na police ni bi ante ho. But udru a wo se wugina.
Wa nyina na obi se obi o baby.
Betimi akwa be some one na akro be sen asan.
San no aba. Me de pass all the way to so nti omo mo abo mo. So wakasa quick ko. Tina bus mu. Go and get a match going experience. Support to team no. Nebo so enye den.
But as NCC no ye nti omo nka na nsem.
No dey so omo be meeting. So omo be meeting omo nye but ye na mfofo na amayo madwen say we ben me. Say bi we ben me na unim nyansa wadwen mu da ho a. O pe baabi ada odudo ma afrem me ma baabi ada.
Okay.
Oh yeah, my mom and their place. So. Oh, and I'm make sure say them mami fi ebetimi da ya abo no.
Okay.
Wakoda, ube mi na me hwe na say unim nyansa nko a. Na me so. Oh yes. Look, me do come mami fi ebra unim nyansa. I won't take you there. I won't even make that error.
And the boys don't call.
Massa, me no betimi dey agro bibia ba say me do ko fie na mami hu because me do ba fie ponim say me ben.
Yeah. She said usuba say kire me yon kona me choose.
Exactly. Nti no look, ye best say mo nko get the experience. Mo na nanom ko 92 93. Ebi wuye. Ntokwa si ye me san de amanfo by. Ntokwa bi ansi.
Yeah.
San Pedro de Udo Abidjan na ba Boaka de 2.5 hours. Monko. Mon faka. Metro Mass bus. And I said STC bus. Mon pebi. Mon ko do ma mon na. Anopa. Friday na no move to Kumasi be 8. Na ma da do ma no papa mo oboda no so. Ye bie ankran kwanta mo wrem se na okay. Moko. Mbedru ajuma home. Muntu acheke ni bindi. Ansa na mbeko amako. Na monko ta akotokwa echi no obi emu sampa.
Nice maba chicken. Nice.
Mundi acheke no ne fish no. Didi.
What?
Ye ni omu difference bi anhwe anymore.
Oh, na say any omu there.
So I don't know, but I think they should have an animal sanctuary.
There's even an account community
there.
Omo
say mole den parky. Omo bibi no msa mo nan chem bi so ho.
Okay.
Munko hwe bi. Uwi anu akohwe match no. Kadiogo for no omo bo away from home. It is a mutimi yire mo ho kwa.
Kotoko support no doors wo ho.
But the problem is that nim West African sub-region at the northern part if Burkina. Eba bisi Cameroon. Esuru ni nyina ya na enkramofo na title.
But Burkina Faso so
Burkina Faso no doso Boake Watara. Dinta no mo pese obedi akoya mo se oye Burkina ni.
Yes, 40%.
Boake ho no metime sani firi soro aba.
Burkina Faso so
Timonko na mo ko tai kotoko achi. 2004 Shila Alasan moko bo 1-1 no ho no. Look, everybody saw the support that moved from here.
I mean they're massive.
Yeah, Sompa ye ko. E bi wo bi ho be ka team no ho. Kusombo kudru ayebo abobo no fiada na wi aba. We are going. Until so for not to form Kobi. Nemum so pe bia da na se bi hwan wadwum o de frame. Aw de nim so kaka meti my de abo an. Nya bi da. Na ko wonya bi aka kire onamfofo football experience de wom no. Wonya bi aka kire onamfofo wonya bi aka kire o ma e no nananom kotoko. Medi achi ye ko ha it helps you.
Okay, a bus here traveling experience when you be. We work around a passport and stamp.
Exactly.
Because do a more opportunity ye de stamp be
sim for passport ne ka ho, for Ghana card ne ka ho. Na make sure say oh yellow fever card no.
Yellow card here.
Yellow French country say no musi yellow card. Yellow yellow fever na mention polyclinic confirmation baby e ben obi a na ko warning tem. Na ko die chirebi. We abro so 300 cedis 400 cedis. Nyansasua obenya afrim no e chen ka na bebo kobi na obenya bibia afrim na aye kama Ghana ne nyina ye dia ene ye ne mu na ye Ghana ne aka chem se mo de Air Force plane na ko Nigeria mo kan chen na ya se we TV no so a bido na ba na Air Force plane no mote ade no so ye time aka 2 years a ye dwen ho a ye hu ne ye be ye nti na mo ko sei na mo ma ye hu ne ye ko so ne ye wom ne sei ne Ghana akoduru
the time ben akatu
no me chemu wo ho ne say emre ni ho utake no so
minimum we got minimum
nti say abase
na o tie no 2 years na I na adwunu break
say no ye bo yan qualify we are da baby 2 years wow so nti no e wo say obi akobi nti yesro mo omo afa form akoduru ho no omo bo omo form mra ne e ba ne say Nigeria for na be free gate Oma be a free gate. And you Benedict Netway. There be no fan ready. Good. Free gate. Nigeria for not be a free gate for my
for many black galaxies.
Mo shoot at Biola Stadium. I'm bet Danny 2-0. And I look, ye de pa. You call Black Stars then. Ye de day.
They support him.
Yes, sir. A kaya bonus at team when I was qualify. No two ways about that. What Austria ba? What should 2-0 wa? I also qualify. Yeah, but from 15 minutes, first 10 minutes, number so from 15 minutes, that's our storm now. I'm mobile no musu go to see how much show back kwa. Champions League now we go nim we away go home. From Libya, you qualify BM, you call South Africa now. Yeah, Libya for the share. You BM. What are you saying? Black Galaxies or someone qualify? na ne matimi konkan na bibia e kama edema in fact all nations for no matches some bobo ne chairs on person bo Premier League ni bi after some mura house ko fast out two Burkina be players no na me so ura kwa mi chi ani abre na so timi qualifier na on kotoko no it will be another arrangement kuma pem ene kotoko incident ni bi na e betimi asi okro manti e hwe animum na bibia ni go stars for no boot no different from the FA ne de beba no
because almost say omo wana no mpanyimfo frɛ wo but omo te ne sɛ mpanyimfo no epeso omo to de motivate wo.
Oh fantastic.
Tie friend ebusa wo size. Because omo so omo target omo de omo say either omo nyi league no omo ntim kra top 4.
Look, you see players no omo sign no like Ibrahim more. We hear experienced players omo sign here. Look, they want to stabilize their stay. Omo person omo bo league no mbo kwachi. Nti wada ma de me de besi baka 2 years until next time no so omo tu ni sana. No
2 years na ya ata. O ko fa ba me mentiase.
Da be mentiase.
O tiase o. O betima chire mu apostle.
Oh sir, I can't mind 2 years.
Aha. Aban like 2 years.
Until 2024.
They say we used to be an wahwe ni.
They say opportunity na ba na kwantu ba na wan sheda nko bia. Won hwe bebe bium na che after another say one cause see ko bium na another 8 years.
But as my young
corner 2032
affair for no some mom China said the Black Galaxies and Nigeria for the second leg no. E say ko piem so ampem da ko a ladies almost ne Bayelsa Queens omufu Nigeria so China they say afidi Ghana Nigeria de nya grow China no ma no so de pim so enu piem a wafu zone B CAF Women's Champions League qualification final no China mo de boss so eno so Ivory Coast anti enya agro eno ba so obetimi afre na wo de wadwen chaba nsem bebre ni abobo so number ni 0548 391 391 na obetimi de wadwen chaba nsem bebre na odi aba 0548 931 931 na 0551 931 931 obetimi afre na so de wadwen chaba enye first caller hale
yes sir
pacho odi ni ba bia free
when I was Robert, I got a few coach you grant them in Miami boss. Joseph Yami, and I both to be Obiami Chiamo. Now, seven a market baby, and Penny about Yame Aduma, Luca Blaster, or much Mirina, and Pabibi Umbiano, then any Biato Mompire Mona, or Moka, you are much reading in Indianaba. Now, Gross are class of focus. Yes, if you are doing because we can say to me now, and Penny about it. Kunimibia Umbiana, yes, Atelegna, also yes, if you Maybiano, as a focus supporters in Yano, a woman Payana, yes, Medate.
Yes, we had say, also bet my Fed Wadrin Chaba, number 0548931931. Halle.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We didn't be free.
You didn't Karama one because people through. Empire na Potopakita and now it's a pepe elevation, a bomb martin, the barriers and this and that. So I got to talk to them. Into Biasha there and there, or Empire too. Empire mere game, time contact to Reggie. So you are so there in general say, yeah, the farmer Muka, I do, the papa step back in Numa. So to come about so they know the people bar as a baby you are Ghana, Babaya, or Penny Karama one.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. So to me, Frey. Also, bet my friend Wadrin Chaba. Number near 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Yemfa another caller. Would you baby free?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Would you baby free?
But I have me, Mamma, make us free. Can you see?
You mamma, ain't you?
But Black Galaxies, or what I'm person mechanical.
A quando.
Yamabua, Wachina, getting a bomb payata or much. Because I flew in Nigeria for a per your money, Pama, Emma, or Mura in Fida. And a bomb payata or much is wet now, so meeting young and the Diacos come, Madame.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. It's a Black Galaxies game, no live commentary on Sompa 3.1. And you know 9, and I give me the best chance here. Don't say me na bro.
Hello.
Yes, I wouldn't be free.
Because office was run about that question. The problem Manchester.
Oh, Manchester, ain't you?
They say I protocol. The man who come out in Wabijan.
And then week Friday. Aye.
I bomb fire saying I'm bedroom block up and I'm a
Go.
Maybe I mean your uncle.
Hale.
Hello, Lutaken.
Yes, sir. We didn't be afraid.
I found Kabama Listam because you are watching.
Kobe me and
You
you.
more about Snake Mapamubo. I can say, I mean, tell me, Catu if you feel that we are maintaining Kevin and I'm saying, Kamania, I mean, at a book. Once you have been at a book to your full year, supporters. And Gungrano can ask my driver who knew that clapping back to my new 3 pieces and Mokano. But in a self which you are, the Yamato supporters in the then say home, then contact me, what I say, protecting me, raise my boy, your palm, it's one of fun, and I think once put all the Magana, but I can just when you are moving out, moi, he done that nothing but a friend for Friday.
Yeah, that's it for nice contribution. Hello, we didn't be free.
Hello, but your friend could you carry a penny?
Yet you.
Could you carry a penny?
Oh, could you yet you?
You, the bomb.